Higgsfield just launched new features that allow you to create cinematic photos. In fact, allows you to create cinematic movies. You can create movies with these new features that Higgsfield AI just launched. This new features is called Cinema Studio. And with Cinema Studio, you can create amazing photos of yourself. You can create amazing photos of any product. And also you can make them as a film. You can create the entire film by directing everything. It allows you to direct your camera movement, everything you want. It allows you to direct. Unlike other AI platforms that you just give a prompt and it will generate. No. With this few new AI feature called Cinema Studio, you can direct everything. How you want your camera to be. You can select a lot of camera. You can select a lot of lenses. In fact, there are a lot of new features on this new Cinema Studio that Higgsfield AI just launched. I love it very well because I use it to create amazing something like what you just watch right now. But meanwhile, let me play this video for you so that you watch the video and understand what I'm saying.
Oh my God. Something is about to happen.
Run! Everyone to... I can't hold this longer! Heroes rise when the world falls.
Now, did you see the video? I created the full video with Cinema Studio, new feature which was launched on Higgsfield AI. And don't worry, in this video, I'm also going to put you through how you can use this new feature on Higgsfield AI and be creating amazing photos for yourself and be creating amazing movies for yourself. You can create full movie using this new AI feature. So if that sounds so interesting to you and today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when we drop more videos like this, you will also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. Let me take you guys to my laptop screen and show you how you can use Cinema Studio, new feature launch on Higgsfield AI to create amazing videos like what you just watched moments ago. Let's get started. So this is the AI tool I used to generate the entire video you just watched a moment ago. Now, to get access to this AI tool, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to the description of this video. And when you head over to the description of this video, you are going to click on sign up. You are going to see the sign up. You are going to see the link of this AI tool. So you click on it and you sign up. Now, when you sign up, you register and they are going to give you some points which you are going to use to generate your images, your videos and everything. They are going to give you some free points. Now, for you to be able to achieve that result, the first thing you are going to do is to click on image here. When you click on image, you are going to see Cinema Studio image, as you can see it here. Cinema Studio image, then you click on it. This AI tool has a lot of AI tools which you can work with. Yes, it has a lot of AI tools, as you can see them here. Even Nano Banana Pro and Sydney, you can see a lot of AI tools here. But right now in this video, all I just want to use, even Click AI is on this AI tool 1, 2.2 is on this AI tool, and it also have its own video model. Everything is on this AI tool. But for the sake of this video, all we want to start using right now is this Cinema Studio AI. Cinema Studio image. Then you click on it. It's going to bring you to an interface like this where you're going to see image here, you're going to see video here. Now we start creating our image. And one thing I love about this AI tool, this new Cinema Studio AI, is that it has different type of camera. As you can see, when you click here, you are going to see different type of camera model here. As you can see, they have SMA model. When you tap on it, you have to see a lot of them. You are going to see a lot of different camera model. Even Red V Vector, you are going to see a lot of them. Now, but don't worry, I'm going to use everything. I'm going to show you how you are going to use everything. So the first thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT again. And on ChatGPT, I give ChatGPT my video idea. And after giving ChatGPT my video idea, this is what I gave to ChatGPT. I wanted to create a cinematic camera moving control. So ChatGPT gave me the character, video scene, everything. He gave me everything. This is what ChatGPT gave to me. I have to tell him to write it on text because I don't understand those coding. So ChatGPT break everything down for me, and this is it. As you can see, character consistency. And the first thing I did, as you can see, test image prompt here. So I copy this image prompt. After copying this image prompt, let me copy it again. You copy the image prompt like this. Now, after you copy the image prompt, you go back to the AI and you upload your own image. You can upload your own image, or you can decide to set the AI to generate image for you. So what I did was to upload my own image. And to upload my own image, the first thing I did was to click on this plus icon. I upload this image you are seeing here. I uploaded this image. This image you are seeing here, this image of my own. I upload my image, and after I upload my image, I paste the prompt. And after I paste the prompt, I set my result here to be 1, and you can set your aspect ratio if you want it on YouTube or any, or for your TikTok, for your Instagram, but I set it for my YouTube, that is 16.9. And your result, you can set it for 2K, 1K, 4K. So I set it at 4K, and after setting at 4K, the next thing I did was to click on this camera icon here, and this is where you're going to select the type of camera you want to use. They have different type of camera, they have different type of lens. They have different type of camera, they have different type of lens. You can select any type of camera. So I try a lot of the camera type, I try everything. Now this is max film camera, and this is the lens, and this is the ratio. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on generate. Now after I click on generate, this is the result I got. This is the result I got. As you can see, this is the result I got, and this is the camera I use. This is the camera. Let me show you the full detail of everything. You can see when you look side here, you are going to see this is the prompt. This is the camera I use. As you can see, picture. This is the camera I use. As you can see, I use red Vuitton for this image, and this is the lens I use, and this is the camera caption. As you can see, this is the everything I use. Now when I go back again and I check for the second image, the second prompt again, I copy it, and I also use another camera aspect ratio, and after using another camera, I got this result with the same prompt. With the same prompt. This is the camera I use for this one. This one is for Sonic, as you can see, Sony feature, and this is the lens I use. You can select any lens. I will show you how you are going to select it and how you are going to use it. Now, after that, again, I also try another prompt, and trying with the another prompt, this is my result I got using another camera feature again. I use another camera feature on this, as you can see, Sony Fenici. This Sony Fenici, this is the camera I use, and this is the lens and everything, and this is my result here. So you can try anything, any type of camera you want, as you can see, and I create a lot of different images with prompts, following my prompt. All these images, I try all of the camera, I try it. All you just have to do is just to come back to your image. You click on your image here, and you click on Cinema Studio image, and you copy your prompt from anywhere. You can copy your prompt from ChatGPT, from anywhere, and you select your camera here, your camera type here, and this is where you're going to see your lens, and you select this also. And after you select everything, you click on generate, and it's going to generate your image for you. Now after you successfully generate the image, I want to generate the video. All you just have to do is just to click on video here. As you can see, when you click on video, this is where you're going to select your camera motion. As you can see, they have different type of camera. You click on movement here, and when you click on movement, you are going to see different type of camera movement. As you can see, camera movement here, you can select anyone. As you can see, they have a lot of them, and all you just have to do is just to select your start frame here and your end frame. You select you click on add, and you add your image, and you add your end frame, and you copy your prompt from ChatGPT or anywhere you can put your prompt, and you select your video aspect here. You select the second, how duration you want your video. You can select 5 minutes, you can select 10 minutes. So you can put any and you turn this on audio and you click on generate, and it's also going to generate your video for you. So that is the method I used to generate the video you just watched moment ago. The first thing I did was to generate the image, follow the image from image to generate the image, follow here, and after generating the image I generate the video. So I have to generate everything. You can test all the camera features they have different type of camera features, just the way I said. As you can see, they have different type of camera features, and you generate your images. You can generate your image up to 4K quality. Yes, you can generate your image up to 4K, and after you generate all your images, you can now edit your videos and it will look nice the way you see the one I played moment ago. Let me show you some videos I generated. Here now, these are some of the videos here. As you can see, if I play this video right now, you are going to see how the video look. As you can see, using the prompt. As you can see, this is the prompt I use. Now this is the video. Now, as you can see, this is the video. So you can use it and generate amazing things like this for yourself. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do wait to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.